welcome to my channel and how YouTubing. Today's project, I'm going to be glamming up this vase. The vase is metal. I purchased it from the Dollar Tree. And I'm also going to be using diamond wrap, which I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. Scissors. These gemstones that I purchased from Walmart. And your glue gun and glue stick are the items needed. And to start off, I'm going to be cutting the diamond wrap into strips of one, like the single strips. And I'm going to glue around across the lines. Just follow the lines. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to continue to do this all over. And also I'm going to put a strip down this center to cover up this seam right here. I'm also going to be gluing a strip all the way down here. So after gluing the diamond wrap all around, this is what it looks like. See, I followed the lines all the way around. Okay, now I'm going to take my diamond wrap and I'm going to cut. I need four of them. A single row, but I need 4. Okay, and with these little pieces of 4, I'm going to glue these and fill in these lines right here. Like right here, 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 here. So, put a thin layer of glue. And then put my 4 row down. And sometimes you might need 3 for some of them. And you just continue this all over, and you see you're starting to fill it in and it's getting that diamond shape. And just continue to all over. What it looks like now after I filled in all the pieces, and you can see the diamond pattern, and it's really pretty. And the last step is to add the gemstones. So I'm just going to take a dot of glue and put the rhinestone right in the center of the triangle. And then some of them are going to be like the little small pieces like this. A big one won't fit in, so I'm just going to put a little tiny one in. Maybe I'll do a bigger one. That's one thing I hate about this glue. The hot glue is just the strings. So I'm just going to go all over and just add the gemstone right in the center. And just continue this all over. And after adding all of the stones, this is what it looks like. And the roses I think I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.